we've all been to a session that is too short and you wish that you could have a little bit more on that topic, right, because there has a lot of depth and it took a while to get rolling. And also other times you go to a session, you're like, wow, that person's really padding out the amount of time they've been given. So we're really looking forward to the people being able to tune the amount of material and the amount of time, and then making the schedule at the conference accommodate that. So do you want to talk a little bit about the different session lengths and how they might be used by presenters?
Sure. So let me kind of back up a second. So we've got 3 session types this year that are going to be within the program. One of them is the experience report presentations that everybody is very familiar with, that have been around at Saturn since the very beginning. These are the traditional kind of 30-minute, you're sharing a story about some experience that you had, lessons learned from that, and kind of vision for the future of how this might connect up with the larger software architecture picture, right? So it could be a story about something that went well, that's amazing, that you want to share, or maybe a horrific failure that is also a good lesson. Those are the experience report presentations. We also are going to have, again this year, the participatory sessions. So these are the 90-minute sessions where at least half of it is going to be hands-on time. Okay, so this is an opportunity for you to learn something. Maybe it's through lecture, maybe it's through some other method for, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, something like that. And then the rest of the time you're going to spend actually practicing, with the facilitator of that session, whatever it is that they want to teach you that day. There were a lot of great examples last year, and that's just hopefully going to be expanding even further this year. So those will be 90 minutes, just enough time to kind of get in, learn something new, and actually try it out on the spot.
Do I remember correctly that those sessions last year got some of the highest ratings of all the sessions?
Those did. Those were among the highest reviewed and the most talked about throughout the entire conference. And so I'm extremely excited that we're going to be able to have those back this year.
So I guess we should encourage people that we're really looking forward to those kinds of proposals. So if you've got something you can think about how you can turn it into a participatory session, we're all ears, so please submit those kinds of sessions for us.